I know you want your specific person back. I know. And you can have them back. I'm not saying you can't. You can do whatever you want to do and you can absolutely get them back. But this is your life. Like, you're actually the main character. Like, this life is yours. It's about you. It's your story. You're writing the chapters. You're the main person in your life, and everyone else is like the supporting character. Yes, you can still have your specific person back, but I need you to have a shift in mindset. Your energy needs to come back to you because, again, this is your story. It's your movie. Everyone else, including your specific person, is a supporting character. I know you think if you work on yourself, they're just going to forget about you. They're going to find someone else. They're not going to want to get back together. I know those fears because I've been there. I didn't get back together with my specific person because I didn't want to. And this work is all about having the power to make that choice. I promise you, you cannot see it right now, but just give yourself 30 days of consistent inner work. That means you're going to put everyone else aside and you're going to focus on you discovering and understanding yourself. If you need support, please join my program, Healing Heartbreak with Tapping. It's a 30-day tapping journey. There's also journal prompts in there, powerful guided visualizations. And if you join today, you also get access to my Magnetic Goddess Tapping Bundle. Like, that's an entirely separate course. It's a full course that you get when you sign up for Healing Heartbreak. There's also a free tapping meditation that will move you from heartbreak to magnetic and peace in minutes. So give that a try. And if you want to explore deeper, I would love to have you inside Healing Heartbreak.